How to share a Snapchat story. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So sharing your Snapchat story is a quick and easy process. So you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application first. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version and also log into your account. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and take a photo or video snap and then add it to your story. Go ahead and tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. And then scroll down and there you will see the option of to my story. Go ahead and tap on that and add a story. Now again scroll down and there you will see the option of my story, which is public. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on copy link and go ahead and share this link among your friends, family, whoever you want to send or share your Snapchat story with. Or you can also go ahead and tap on this export or send snap and you can send your story specifically, and you can send the story to individual person who are connected with you on Snapchat. You can also choose to share in your WhatsApp group or messages, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, and other different social medias. So that's it for this video. This is how you can share your Snapchat story. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.